Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. This is Marky B once again, showing you some of the recipes that I love to cook or bake. Today, this evening, we're going to bake some chicken. Matter of fact, it's going to be drumsticks. I have prepared them for the oven. I have put some olive oil on them. I have this Spice Supreme chicken seasoning. It is very good. It's very tasty. I like it. I have one for steak. I put it on my steak. I use it on pork chops or any kind of meat you can use it on. So it's real good and tasty. And I got it from the store called KJ's. So if you're ever in the vicinity of a KJ's, stop in and you can get this for about $1.50. That's it, $1.50. But you have all kinds of spices. They have lemon pepper. They have lemon pepper. They have steak spices and all that. So it's very good. Now, as you notice, I got this little wire rack. I have been using this for about a year now since I found this. And I've used it for the chicken. I use it for my pork chops. I use it for my steaks. And when I'm broiling or baking, I like to sit my food on top of this little wire rack so the heat can get underneath and it could cook the meat evenly all the way around. I've preheated my oven to 425. It will take approximately 30 to 35 minutes to bake my chicken. And so without further ado, I am just showing you the prep work and everything. I've got it ready. It's ready to go into the oven. So when it's done, I will show you the finished product. I will see you in 35 minutes.